Hi, my name is Kenny Bene and welcome to the Business News Updates on the News Chronicle. Firstly, we have Telecoms versus Bank, a USSD billing war. Now, we have tension is rising between banks and telecom operators. From June 3rd, the bank is saying the USSD billing will be charged or will be deducted from the customer's airtime, not their bank accounts. However, telecom companies disagree, stating that banks must first pay their debts before any changes. Now, the fight between who controls the USSD billing continues, affecting several Nigerians that are relying on banking without internet. Secondly, we have stock market rally near 71 trillion naira. Now, the stock market is practically on fire. Market capitalization hits 70.89 trillion on Tuesday. Now, big gains came from three different companies. We have Honeywell Flour, SCOA, and also SFS REIT. Now, investors' confidence are actually rising, especially in consumer goods, industrials, as well as financial stocks. Over 16 billion naira was traded in one day. Thirdly, we have FGN saving bonds, new offers for retail investors. Now, the DMO just launched two savings bonds. Nigerians can invest with as low as 5,000 naira. One matures in 2027 with 16.121% interest, while the other one with 17.121 interest and matures in 2028. Now, interest is paid practically quarterly, and this is safe. This is a safe government-backed way to grow your money, and the offer is meant to end June 6th, 2025. Fourth, we have gold hitting $3,350. A global tension fueled this particular rise. Now, gold prices jumped to $3,350 per ounce. Why? The trade war between China and USA is heating up again, and the military tension in Europe is also rising. Now, as this fear grows, investors are looking to rush out gold to ensure safety. And also, lastly, we have inflation still biting. Traders are saying customers are pricing and walking away. We had interview sessions with traders in Abuja, Dede Market, as well as Niger State, Suleja Market, and these traders are saying buyers are only pricing and not purchasing their goods. They are practically walking away. Why? Because transport costs, insecurity, unstable prices are making things worse for these customers. One trader even stated that even Indomie is now a luxury, and this is practically affecting whatever they're selling in the market. So this is it for today. We solicit you to like, share, and comment on this video. You can also visit our website on www.thenews-chronicle.com for more updates. See you next time.